The sequel to Batman pits the caped crusader against his most fiendish opponents yet, the evil Penguin and the sinuous Catwoman. Hey there, Shelf Knights! Today we're looking at the McFarlane DC Multiverse Batman Returns Deluxe Theatrical Edition, from one of the best Christmas movies ever. Each figure includes a McFarlane circular stand with a silver DC logo, character-specific accessories, and a trading card. The card has the same bio and photo for all figures, with only the character's name being different. They all stand perfectly in scale, making any display shelf look amazing. Max Shreck stands 18 centimeters and includes an alternate burnt head showing his demise after being electrocuted by Catwoman at the climax of the movie. Articulation includes head, shoulders, arms, double-jointed elbows, ab crunch, double-jointed knees, ankles, and toes. Note that Max's middle section is hollow like some McFarlane-suited figures. Let's take a quick look at that alternate head on the figure. Catwoman stands just under 17 centimeters to the top of her cat ears. She comes with a taser and her signature whip. The likeness is excellent. Figure is well articulated with neck, arms, double-jointed elbow, wrist, torso, legs, double-jointed knee, ankle, and toe articulation. Batman stands about 19 centimeters to the top of his bat ears. Comes with two accessory holding hands, a grapnel gun, and his iconic batarang. The sculpt has no neck articulation, which is great for movie accuracy. Articulation includes torso, arms, double-jointed elbows, legs, double-jointed knees, ankles, toes, and a wired cape. The Penguin is under 15 centimeters with an umbrella, top hat, and soft goods coat. Articulation includes arms, double-jointed elbows, ab crunch, legs, single-jointed knees, and toes. Coat is made from a felt-like material and is sturdy and well-made. The Commando Penguins come in a 3-pack, and each penguin has its own back missiles. Small one is unarticulated and stands about 7 centimeters. Middle one is also unarticulated and is just under 10 centimeters tall. Largest of the bunch have wing articulation and stands at 12 centimeters. The set includes an alternate black coat displayed in a sturdy penguin cardboard cutout. Coat can be used on the regular penguin or the figure from the Duck Vehicle 2-pack. Let's look at some comparisons to other DC Multiverse figures. The Penguin with his Silver Age and Arkham series versions. And his version from the Batman 2022 with Mr. Freeze from Batman and Robin. Here's Catwoman with her 90s and Arkham series versions. And the Dark Knight Rises Catwoman and Poison Ivy from Batman and Robin. Commando Penguins with Krypto and Ace the Bat-Hound comic versions. And Krypto and Baby Kaiju from Superman 2025 movie. Max Shreck with other suited figures, Alfred from BVS and Lucius Fox. Lex Luthor from Superman 2025, and the Joker from Dark Knight. Here is Batman Returns with the Val Kilmer and George Clooney versions of Batman. and other Keaton Batmans from Batman '89 and the Flash 2023 movies. A closer look at the '89 and Returns figures. Overall, the McFarlane Batman Returns Deluxe Theatrical Edition set is a must-have for collectors. Happy hunting, and keep on collecting.